Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video just to show you the back end of where you would make changes that I described in my first video about the page information and your SEO settings. So I use Showit on Squarespace. This will be a little bit different if you're in Squarespace, but in Showit, I just wanted to quickly show you where you would change your page title. So under the left-hand column over here, you have pages, and I'm going to click on my home page. The page name is going to stay home. However, under SEO settings, you'll see over here in the right column, page title, and this is where you are going to make those changes that I described in my last SEO guide and video. You want to make sure that your page title, now mine is family and newborn photographer. I want to clarify, this is actually not recommended. For most people, you wouldn't want to have two different genres in your page title. I, however, was already ranking for those terms and on my homepage. And so we're not going to mess with my homepage because it's already doing really well. I am in a location that has a lower search volume. Delaware is a very small state, and it is a little bit easier to rank for than other locations. Now I have other pages targeting different locations, and that's a whole nother story. Those are separated out. But for my homepage, before I learned SEO, I already had the title as Delaware Family and Newborn Photographer. I didn't know any better. I don't want to coach you to have multiple genres on your page title. I just want to explain why mine is like that. So in any case, you're going to put your main keyword, so it could be whatever location, genre, photographer, and then do some kind of divider and put your business. Now, my whole business name, Anne-Marie Hammond Photography, does not fit because we only get 60 characters. So in my case, I've left out photography in that spot. But if you have enough characters, go ahead and put your full business name. That is something that Google really likes to see. Here's your meta description. And again, you get about 160 characters there. So make it something that's engaging, that's going to encourage people to click. And then here's your share image. And remember to rename your share image with your keywords. That's really important. And make sure that it's optimized, resized for web. So anyways, I hope that was helpful. Just make sure that if you're in Showit, you're going into click on your homepage and then go over to your SEO settings to make these changes within your page title. Your actual site title, is up here in your site settings, but each page you can control the title of within the page info and page SEO settings. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or reach out through Instagram. I'm happy to help you guys.